Hey guys, it's Caterpillar 143 here. I'm going to be doing a walk around video on a Volvo Ec210B. Okay, start off the walk around. Tracks here, truffle browser pads. It's a bad boy on it here. Ec210B. That was like the logo from the company that before owned it. It's number L505. You got your door latch there, Volvo. And the cab, door's locked. I don't have the key to it. Keep moving on. There's a dump truck over there with the door open. I don't know why. Fire extinguisher inside. Move it on here. Come to your bucket. There's no thumb on this one. You got your two grease points there. Two, I don't know, I'm not sure what those ones grease. Lifting eye on the bucket. Right there. Get your linkage up there. Safety sticker there. Up there. Volvo. Your jack pads again. This is bad boy. On this side again. Ec210B. Go on your counterweight. Little piece of DOT reflective tape. Got some, I guess those are just reflectors too. Volvo on the counterweight here. Move back a little bit. Get your Volvo. You got there's an LED work light up there. You got your lights right up there. All your lights. Here's your front glass. There's a little light right there. Up there. Windshield wipers. I don't know why this mirror's facing that way. I should hold that in there. There we go. Hold the mirror in a little bit. So that's about it, guys. That was a walk around of a Volvo Ec210B. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can tell, I am back. I'm going to be making videos again. So there'll be some more to come. There's a Deer 200 over there. Have to get some videos of that bad boy. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Bye.